everybody. So I read a lot of the feedback you guys give me, and sometimes, I do a lot of shootouts, and you guys say, oh, I can hear a difference, when there really doesn't seem to be all that big of a difference. So that leads me to either believe my hearing's starting to go, or some of you guys possess superhuman hearing. So I thought we'd do something really fun and do the first ever Spectre Sound Vintage Guitar Challenge. I want you guys to listen to some clips here without any visual feedback, and I want you to tell me which guitar is which. We're going to run everything through my Soldano back here on the clean channel with all the knobs at 12 o'clock, so it's just going to be the sound of the guitar, and we're going to be going into those wonderful vintage 1977 blackbacks that I found last summer that just sound amazing. I want you guys to tell me which guitar is which, just by using your hearing. Here we go. All right, there was some pretty big differences there, and it leads me to believe, okay, yeah, the guitars definitely sound different, at least as far as cleans are concerned. But what about an edge of breakup tone? We're going to throw on the crunch switch here and see what we get. All right, so you guys tell me which clip you thought was which guitar. I want to hear from you. Leave a comment below. I haven't figured out if I'm going to give away a prize for this. Now, I haven't figured out a prize for this one yet. I'm going to look through my stuff and see what I can give away. But I want to give away something really cool to whoever gets this right and guesses which clip was which. And it's got to be right for all the clips, not just a couple of them. Do me a favor, leave a comment below. Let me know your best guess, and I'm going to follow up next week, and I'm going to reveal which guitar was playing when. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified when that video comes out, because I think you're going to want to see the follow-up.